There are 7 best places to visit on the Kolar road from Bangalore on a single day. The first is Bangalore-Chennai Expressway, which is 20 km from the KRPuram bridge. The expressway is not opened yet. You can park your car and have a good view of the highway below. The next is Shri Virupaksha Temple, which is 1 hour from the expressway location. The history of Virupaksha Temple dates back to 14th century. It's believed to have been built during the rule of Vijayanagara Empire. Half an hour from Virupaksha Temple is the Venkateshwara Swamy and Padmavathi Temple. This temple resembles the famous Shri Venkateshwara Temple of Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh. The temple is built on rocks which dates back to Bhrigu Maharshi days. Just below the hill rock is Vishnu's vehicle Garuda. Next is the famous Avani Betta, which is 15 minutes from Virupaksha Temple. Avani Betta is known for Sita Temple situated on top of the hill in this area. It is said that Sita and her 2 sons, Lava and Kusha, resided in Kolar during her exile in the forest area. "20 minutes from Avani Betta is the Kotilingeshwara Temple. This temple has the largest shivling in the world, along with 90 plus lakhs of other shivlings of different sizes. The 33-meter high Shivlinga and 11 meters high Lord Nandi are the main attraction of this temple. Another 30 minutes from Kotilingeshwara is Markandeya Temple on Markandeya Hills. Named after sage Markandeya, who is believed to have offered prayers here. Grew up to be a great devotee of Shiva, and on the day of his destined death, he continued his worship of Shiva in the form of Shivlingam. And finally, 14 km from Markandeya Hills is Chota Ladakh. It's a small quarry filled with water and gives a good view, especially during sunset. It doesn't resemble anywhere close to Ladakh. An influencer who went there named it Chota Ladakh and became famous with that name itself. All these 7 places can be visited in a day if you don't plan to trek at Avani Betta and have a personal vehicle.